Will you come back down to Kansas with me if I take horses down and help me ride horses?
Say just so long as I get to bring him spurs, huh, Tage?
I'll bring you out back before Christmas, okay?
He had to have spurs for his horse. Because he can't kick anywhere good. So I said, well, you probably need spurs. I get to spurs, so we got him a pair for Choco. She's nice.
I got China. You do? They're not focused. They're not focused.
That's right.
I've only knocked it down.
Have you roped off her any, Branda? What's that? Have you roped any off of her? Roped anything off of her? Yeah. Are you nuts?
Blue tarp.
She's short enough, she'd make it.